Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the 19th of July, Monday, first trading day of the week and 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit today. Alright, so let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. Alright, so if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into straight to the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Euro USD, if you look at here, 4-hour chart, and you can see here this today, once the market opened today, so we were short, buying beautiful pips. As you can see here, price nicely hit to the major support level. Now we expecting price came back here, broken. We expecting another pullback long here. Let's see, and let me share with you the today's analysis on the Euro USD. If you look at the Euro USD, we had only one analysis, that is the at the London morning session. We were looking this consolidation breakout as soon as the price hit this level, and we explained to bank some profit. And we are still waiting, by the way, another analysis, which is this one. You can see here, looking for this pullback. And let's see if the price, yes, it looks like the price is developing in this pullback. All right, so safest way, if the price gonna break this 200 MA, so we're looking a pullback long here. We'll keep you updated with this analysis, and let's move into the Pound Dollar. We had amazing trades on the Pound Dollar, guys. And if you look at the Pound Dollar, if you look at the 4-hour, today when the market opened, you can see here price broken daily and the weekly support level. We had a beautiful, we will keep taking a pullback short trade, bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you the intraday analysis on the Pound Dollar. As you can see here at the market open, we did this analysis. Let me share with you, this is the analysis. Okay, right, so this is the analysis I did as soon as the London open. You can see here the market developed a consolidation, and we were looking this breakout. As you can see here, price broken, beautiful short trade here, because the price was at this major support level, weekly support level and daily. And afterwards we have another beautiful pullback short trade, bank beautiful pips on Pound Dollar. And if you look at the New York session, price developed another consolidation, and as soon as the price broken the previous low, that's what we explained, have a nice another trade and beautiful another pullback, and beautiful another beautiful pullback short trades, bank beautiful amazing trades on Pound Dollar. You can see here. Okay, so let's move into the Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trade, guys, and let me share with you guys, most of the traders, they are taking a short trade. I explain every time on the price hit previous high, just keep taking a short trade, banking beautiful pips. All right, so if you look at the 4-hour chart, we have this breakout, you know, at the market open. As soon as the price broken, technically we have this breakout. So we have this breakout, we really enjoyed it. The first target hit, which is 127,000, and the final target 128,000. Very nicely and beautifully price hit the profit target. Let me share with you the intraday analysis of the Dollar CAD. And if you look at the Dollar CAD, we had amazing trades, guys. Okay, so this is the analysis. As you can see here, first of all, price developer channel, I'm looking this breakout, price broken, because we're watching in 4-hour. You can see here that was the 126.529 level, which is the weekly resistance level, and price broken. The safest way, as which is always explained to trader, after the breakout, pull back long. You can see a beautiful pullback long, and as soon as the price hit to the level, which is around this level, we explain to trader it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful long trade, profit target nicely hit. Then after the price nicely to progress 128 level 1000, when the price hit this level, then we did another analysis, explained to trader, look, ascending triangle pattern is developed. If the price is going to respect the previous high, then we should be looking a pullback short trade here, and then we keep taking a pullbacks. As you can see here, price nicely broken. You can see here price nicely develop another triangle pattern. We had a beautiful short trade here, and afterwards pullback short trade, and we had amazing short trade, counter short trade, by the way, beautiful on the Dollar CAD. As always, after the breakout, you can see here we have short breakout, as always, after another pullback. You can see here price nicely develop another pullback, beautiful few more pps, and then afterwards price developed this pattern, breakout long trade, few more pps, and then afterwards, as explained to trader, price developed this pattern. If the price gonna break this above the orange EMA, then we're looking a long, otherwise short trade here. We have another few more pps, so we bank beautiful pps on pound, on dollar CAD. All right, so the best trade we had it today with the pound yen. We technically all the cable pair we were short. We also long on this one and bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys all the analysis of pound yen. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we have this breakout, and afterwards even the price broke on this previous low, beautiful, and we will keep taking a pullback short trade here. Beautiful. That was the beautiful trade on pound yen and the euro yen, both of them. So let me share with you guys. If you look at this, is the analysis I did this London morning session. We have price develop another bearish flag pattern, and based on the 4-hour, we have this breakout, beautiful. After that, pullback, 1 2 3, beautiful pullback short trade here. Then price hit this level, at this level, and we had another beautiful counter long trade. You can see here price develop a double bottom, counter long trade. As soon as the price hit this level, which is this level in 4-hour, and that's what we explained to traders, come time to bank some profit and look for another short trade here. And afterwards, you can see here price came down, and at the New York session we have another beautiful pullback based on the analysis, 1 or 2 breakout and pullback. Then we have another breakout, pullback, short trade here. Then at just before I finish my trading day, that's what we explained to trader, when the price develop a counter long trade. Look at here, the price develop a double bottom, and explain to trader if the price is broken this level, so we're looking here another counter long trade here. So you can see here price came back, beautiful, and pulled back even the price right now at this level. So I'd explain to trader it's time to bank some profit. So you can see guys, we keep an eye all these price movement, and in the 4-hour, based on the bias in the 4-hour, we refine our entries and exit in intraday and help traders to bank amazing profit. Right now you can see here we were long from here, bank here, another one, bank beautiful pips. All right guys, I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis. If the most important thing is you should be watching all that analysis in the real time, banking pips in real time, and developing your trading skill in real time. If you develop, once you develop your trading skill, I can also open door for to get funded. If you are interested how I help my traders to develop their trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis, and how I help them to get funded, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so feel free. It's completely free guys. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other professional trader. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and wish you all the best, and until next time, all the best.